Every human is born with an infinite inner force. Yet, nearly every person surrenders it voluntarily. They turn against themselves. I'm talking about the unmatched power of your mind. This video might ruffle feathers. It might not survive censorship. So, watch it till the end, before it's wiped off the internet. Let's uncover two major ways people unknowingly give away their mental power. Number 1, turning against yourself. Most individuals let their own mind sabotage them. Your thoughts are limitless in influence. But when you accept a weakening belief, it manifests as truth in your life. Let's look at two different cancer patients. One woman, diagnosed with advanced lymphoma, told herself, "There's no hope. I'm just counting days now." Her energy diminished. Her immune system followed her mindset. Her body gave up because her mind waved the white flag. Another patient, a 65-year-old man with the same diagnosis, believed, "My body is a fortress. Every cell is fighting back." He practiced laughter therapy, drank herbal teas, visualized recovery every morning, and spoke life into himself. Science may scoff, but his remission stunned his doctors. Arrogance? Maybe. Unrealistic? Possibly. But that mental conviction triggered a physical response. The brain told the body to survive, and the body listened. Many educated people bowed down to statistics. But numbers can't define your destiny unless you hand over your power to them. Here's another case of mental sabotage. Breastfeeding is universally known to be healthier. But in countries like the UK, less than 1% of mothers breastfeed beyond 6 weeks. Why? Because they've absorbed the belief that not everyone can produce enough milk. Once that belief is internalized, the brain inhibits milk production. Meanwhile, in rural villages where formula isn't accessible, women breastfeed without issue. They never allowed that limiting belief to take root. The mind can either unlock your natural design or shut it down completely. Number 2, surrendering your mind to external forces. Here's a harsh truth. No institution, government, corporation, or media cares about your personal freedom. If they could program your mind like software, they would. Still, the average person parrots whatever they're told, without resistance. And when someone dares to question the narrative, they're labeled a conspiracy theorist, a term designed to discourage independent thinking. Why does that label sound so unhinged? Because you've been trained to dismiss any critical thought before it even fully forms. Yes, there are real conspiracies. Powerful groups have manipulated public perception and suppressed truth throughout history. Denying that makes you a puppet, not a skeptic. Here's something to reflect on. Why are certain mental disorders far more prevalent in rich nations? Because luxury provides the space to accept disempowering thoughts. In war zones or refugee camps, no one has the luxury to believe they're broken. They're too busy fighting to survive. Control doesn't always come through weapons. Sometimes it comes through whispers. You're sick. You're weak. You need us to function. This is why countries like the US lead the world in prescription drug consumption. People outsource responsibility for their minds and become addicted to the system. In modern society, science is treated like religion. But here's what they don't tell you. Scientific facts are not absolute. They shift with new tools, new measurements, and new biases. Many studies are flawed, pushed through for profit, not for truth. Headlines twist science to sell fear or comfort, not clarity. And the public, trained not to ask questions, eats it up. If you don't learn to interrogate information, then information will be used to control you. This platform wasn't built to feed you nonsense. It exists to help you reclaim your strength and rise above mediocrity. That said, don't even take my words at face value. Challenge them. Test them. Make your own mind the authority. If you want more videos on mental power, healing, or self-mastery, drop a comment. Because this is just scratching the surface. The human mind holds depth science hasn't even touched. And if you're truly ready to level up, smash that like. Hit subscribe. Your next evolution starts now.